So being able to create in this building has been a lot more freeing and there's been a lot more space for creative process. Compared to the old building, we were kind of in a much darker space, a much smaller space, so everything felt a lot more contained. And now it feels like we really have the freedom to express what we want in our artwork and really to have our creative process showcased in a really large scale.
It can create a whole new genre and generation of music if we keep going forward and not backwards. Well, and it looks like we're going miles forwards and not backwards, because this is still, like I said before, unbelievable, and I'm extremely happy on what we're given and what we can do with it. How we used to just chill in a basement that was so small and hot and plugged, and now we have so much room, so many instruments, and so many opportunities to make music at a professional level.
No, it feels great to have such a nice building, and it feels like people are actually interested in what we're doing here now because they've invested in us. The fact that we're in a space designed for us is very helpful, because before it was just a room. There was nothing special about it. It wasn't really designed for what we're doing, and now we have a great space that's designed for what we're doing, and we get to use it to its full potential.
I really enjoy learning music. It's totally less stressful than other subjects for me. I'm not great at math, so music and creative classes, it's great that Albany has these. So it's so important to me, and it's really nice that our school now has the space for us, to actually really make great music and good sound quality, and it feels good that they did this for us.
This new Fine Arts Wing is going to give our music and art students what they deserve, to be even better musicians and artists. We are so excited for this building and all that it's going to do for our students at Albany High School.
In the old music wing, we had our band room, our string room, and a chorus room. And these rooms were interchangeable. Here, every teacher, every music teacher has their own room. With this new space, we were able to take on many different other students who want to try and experience music in high school for the first time.
Having a space like this that you can really expand. It doesn't feel, when I walk in here, this might sound kind of silly, but it doesn't feel confining. And I feel like that overlapped into their art making. We were in our older space, but now with something that's so open with the natural light and the higher ceilings and the workspace, I feel like their artwork is going to grow and flourish in this space.
For music, for art, for the arts, having a space to walk into and work in that has been made for you and has been, created and crafted with you in mind. It lets you know the value of what you're doing, and knowing how wonderful these kids are and knowing how much they deserve this. It's such a wonderful feeling to know that this is where their home is going to be. This is where they're going to be able to build that community again, and I can't wait to see that, to feel that, to be a part of that. It's a wonderful thing.